Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create categories for specific products using Shopify. So meaning, for example, if you want a specific category for, let's say, a specific product like hoodies, for example, an entire category for hoodies where people can just click on that category and they will have a list of hoodies or whatever product that you want a category for. So I will show you exactly how to get categories for whatever product that you want and how many, no matter how many products you want categories for, it doesn't really matter. I'll show you exactly how to create the category, how to make it appear in the home page, as well as how to actually add the products to the categories so people can see and browse certain categories without any problems. So obviously, we'll just need to head to your Shopify here, the dashboard. From here, to get started, you just click on your online store. Now, from the online store, you will just need to go over to pages, and we will need to create pages for each category that we want. So basically, the categories are going to be like separate pages. If we want a category for hoodies, we create a page for hoodies. If it's for shoes, then we create one for shoes. It's that simple. So to get started, you just go to pages and then you click on add page. From after you click on add page, you just give it a sec and you will be given this a section here where you can just give a title for your page. Here, for example, we just type in hoodies because this category is for hoodies, where we will put each like every hoodie product within this category. So title hoodies, and then we go to the search engine listing preview. We edit that and make sure the title either, like, for example, if it's this is basically what's going to be shown in the search engine, meaning Google, Bing, that kind of stuff. So we just type in hoodie. You can type in, for example, hoodie products, that kind of stuff. But for now, we just have hoodie or hoodies maybe. And then if we want to add a description, here are all the tests hoodie products. Obviously, you will need to have a better description. This is just for an example. And then the URL, you just leave it as it is, unless you want to change it. It's up to you. And that's it. You just click on save. So this is a category done. We've got the hoodies done. Later, I will also show you how to actually like have it in your homepage, visible for others to see and that kind of stuff. But like for now, you've got a page ready for your hoodies products. Let's create another one. Instead of actually going to pages, add new page and that kind of stuff, we can just click on duplicate here. From the hoodies, we can just click on duplicate, and then we just give a new title for the duplicate. So for example, let's say the other product is going to be men boots, and we just click on duplicate. It's going to create the same page that we created for hoodies, but the title is going to be different. However, just make sure that this also is going to be different. So men boots, or maybe boots for men. I just wanted to highlight that this does not have to be the same as the title. So whatever suits the page title best, write it for here so people can click it easier or find it more appealing, basically. But it does not need to match this. It just needs to give the same meaning. And then here, description, we just obviously make sure we change hoodie for, here are all the test men boots products. And then the link is going to be different. And then from here, we simply just click on save. If we can just get it right here. Okay, this is kind of annoying. This is obviously for a test, so this is why I have it like that. But it is a little annoying, but we can just click on save, and it's simple as that. Now we've got two product category pages that we can view. And if you want more, we can just again duplicate, type in whatever we want, maybe it's just simple shirts, maybe duplicate, and then we just make sure we again rename the page title to shirts. Let's just name it shirts. And then here again, the description should be also unique, shirts. And that's it. You know how it works now. So you add as many as you want. No matter how many pages you add, it doesn't really matter. You just add for as many categories that you want. Now we just created the pages for the categories. Now let's actually have them be accessible for our visitors. Let's have them accessible to the home page. To do so, we just go to navigation, and then from here we will find the menus here. We've got footer menu and we've got main menu. You usually would have the categories within the main menu, so we just click on the main menu, and then here we add the categories. So we just add menu item, and then we name it categories. And then here we obviously just have it to homepage because it's not a specific thing. It's just the overall the category of categories. Okay, so we just click on add. Now here we need to have under it each and every specific category that we have just created within the pages. So we just click on add menu item, and then from here we just have the name of the categories that we created. The first one was hoodies, so hoodies. And then here we make sure that we actually link it to the page that we created for hoodies. So we go to pages, and then from here it should show us all the pages that we have, and we can also look up using the name in case we have a lot of pages. So we select hoodies and then we click on add. Now this, we don't want it to be like this because it's going to be like next to each other. We want it to be a subcategory underneath the this category. So to do so, we just click on the dots on the left side of the subcategory, which is the hoodies category. You hold it and you go underneath the categories, and then you just go to the right a little bit. You see how the circle changes? If you go left, it's going to be just next to it. If you go right, it's going to be underneath it. And you just let go. And you can see now it's under it. And we just repeat the process for the rest of the categories. So again, add menu to categories. And we just type in what other page? Oh, men boots, right? Men boots. And then here we link it to our page for men boots. And then we just click on add, and because we clicked on this plus sign instead of this, it's going to be already underneath this category. Let's add the last one, which is going to be shirts. And again, you just name it shirts, and then you go to link it with pages, locate the shirts, and then add. And now it's all underneath this category right here. Now let's just save the menu, and now if we just view our online store, we can see that we have the categories set right. So if we go to our homepage, we've got, how can I view the website? Hold on. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. Let's actually view the website by just going to here, preview. And then we'll see what the progress we created looks like. So we've got home, catalog, contact, the other menu, and then we got categories. If we click down here, we will find hoodies, men boots, shirts, and whatever other pages that you create. And you can also create subcategories for the subcategories. So if you want to create black shirts specifically underneath shirts, you can do so easily by just going to pages, and then you go to I'm sorry, not pages, navigation, and then we go to our main menu, and then we go to categories, and then we go to shirts, and make sure that we type in, for example, black shirts, and we need a specific page for it. I don't have one right now. We just link it to homepage, for example. Click on add, hold the dots, have it underneath the shirts, and then we can just click on save. And then if we just restart the page here, we will see the changes. We can see the shirts, and then this should have the like the other subcategory for black shirts, but some themes don't really have that, including the one that I have, which is the Dawn theme, which is this trial theme. But usually it should work and should have another drop down menu for your specific subcategory. It should work depending on the theme. But for me, it doesn't work, so I can just put it next to other categories and call it a day. Now, let's actually add products to our categories. So we just click on pages, and then from here we locate whatever page that we want to add products to. So for example here, hoodies. So for the hoodies, we can just click on customize templates, and then one sec, give it a sec, and it should take us to the customization tab where we can just click on add. Oh, here we go. And then we can just add add things or blocks, I mean, depending on what we want. So we can, for example, add galleries. We can add, hold on, we can just click on add select section for templates. And then we've got future product, we've got future collection, we've got, if you want to just have a gallery, you can do so. You can have collection list. If you want to just add future product for now, or if you want the collection, it's going to be the same thing. Just you're going to do the same process with different products that you add. But let's just go for future product, and it should create one for us, where we can just make sure our the details match our products, and then from here we just go to on the left side you will find product, where we can just select product, and then here your products should appear. So for if you can't find it, you can just obviously search for hoodies. I don't have products for this tutorial, but it's very simple. You just go ahead again. Let me show you. So you add this block for future product or product list or collections, I mean. Afterwards, you need to add products with this button right here, product, select product, and then you just make sure you select the one product or multiple products over here. And then afterwards, once you click on save, it should appear within the page. So this is for hoodies. I believe this is going to show. If not, it's because I didn't add anything because I don't really have a product to add, but it should show here. So if you go to hoodies, this should be your product that you see. So it's very, very simple. You just add a block, and then from there you add whether you want it to be a featured collection, future product, collection list. If you create a collection list, you'll put for each one here the collection name and then the products within. Here you select collection, and then you create a collection if you don't have any, and you can just add them over here. If not, you can add a future product or featured collection. So that's up to you how you want to add your products. So within this page, you've got multiple options here to choose from, whether it's going to be a featured collection or product or list. So I hope this tutorial helped you or helped show you how to create categories within Shopify. It's very simple. To summarize, you just create a page and make sure it is in the menu for the home page or the footer. It's up to you. This way people can access it and then access the page for a specific product category where they can just locate the things that they want. It's very simple and easy, and I hope this video helped you, and that's it. Thanks for watching.